Okay, so welcome to today's talk. I want to talk to you today about prostate cancer and homeopathic approach in prostate cancer. First of all, I want to share with you that prostate cancer is so very common nowadays, and especially in India and Europe and in America. It is one of the top cancers in males, especially in seniors above the age of 50. And there are different stages for it. At stage 1, it's very small, just a tumor. Stage 2, both lobes are affected. At stage 3, the lymph glands are affected, or it goes to seminal vesicles. And at stage 4, there is a spread, and especially spreads to the bone. So old men with back issues, bone pains, urinary issues should get their PSA done. In fact, every old, more than 60-year-old senior person should get a PSA done for sure. One of the commonest symptoms which I have seen is slow urination, blood in the urine, sometimes numbness, discomfort while sitting. But I want to tell you, sometimes none of these are also present. None of them are there. And one of the top tests is PSA, but we have to do ultrasonography or MRI. PET CT is another test that I often suggest. And in modern medicine, they have different therapies, radiation, chemo, hormonal is one of the new treatments. But it doesn't have a foolproof treatment for it, because very often there is a lot of pain and suffering. So there are two options that I often give, because homeopathy has a very good result in this type of case. And today I'm going to show some cases where with homeopathy there has been result in my clinic. So the idea of homeopathy is that there is something more deeper to this which is affected, and often something like prostate cancer is connected to a lot of stress in earlier life, a lot of changes in lifestyle, a lot of pressure. And understanding this stress, we give a homeopathic remedy. This homeopathic remedy can be given along with chemo, radio, or hormone therapy as well. And in some cases where the patient and the homeopath is confident, we can give only homeopathy as well. So we have two options here. So this is one case which I want to present to you. This case of prostate cancer with metastasis, stage 4, 70-year-old guy. He was in a very bad condition. He was in stage 4, and you can see his PSA was above 40. And he was a top CEO of a top company. He was taking hormone therapy, but because of his age and due to his lot of pain and suffering, he didn't want to take chemo or docetaxel. But he was in a bad condition. There were a lot of bone pains, urination issue. But when I went inside his history and I tried to understand him, his main experience was that of lot of pressure, a lot of heavy responsibility on him, and that affected his health a lot in his earlier life. And he responded very well to homeopathic remedy Aurum Metallicum, and Aurum Metallicum, and within 8 months his pain reduced, and PSA showed a remarkable change. From 40 it came back to 7. In fact, his urine issues got better also, and he got back to his normal life by about 70%, and you can see the latest PSA 7. This is what I want to share with you, that homeopathy has remarkable results in this kind of condition. So don't be scared, don't give up. Connect to a good homeopath and start homeopathic treatment. Even if you're doing chemo, radio, hormone, you can take it along with homeopathy. And if you're not, then you can directly start homeopathy as well. Both are possibilities. This is my email ID, and my clinic is in Mumbai, in Dadar. You can connect to me, you can come and see me, or you can write to me. We could also do a video Skype. Yes.